on, crew? Hey, I am here with midnight. Make sure I don't hit nothing. Trying to get a situation. I just got back to the house, guys, and I went and picked up a package. So we are gonna have another garage mail call. Just trying to get old midnight situated here. All right, let me go ahead and put it in park. Let's see here. Man, I tell you what, boy, I got so much stuff going on. And hey, I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos and stuff. I got old Blue Ash over there looking sexy. I tell you, Blue Ash looking so sexy, man. What you guys think, man? Y'all like Blue Ash? Everybody seems to be enjoying old Blue Ash. I don't know which one is my favorite, guys. I tell you what, man. One day Blue Ash is my favorite, and I guess I don't really have a favorite. Then I drive old midnight, boy. Woo! I tell you, it is hard to keep black clean, but when it's clean, boy, I tell you what. I mean, midnight, she's looking sexy too, man. I tell you. She's clean inside. I tell you, I try to keep my wife like, golly, but you're always rubbing on those vehicles. I don't know, man, it just makes you feel good, as you know, kind of like when you put on a pair of new shoes or something, I guess, you know. But we're doing a little work over here in the garage. Hey, and if I ain't told you guys lately, guys, I'm back with another video. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, and this is what we do it ourselves, and we have fun doing it. So hey, I got a box back here. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Oh, well, I thought it was back there. Oh, I must have put it in the back seat. Forgot to put it in the back seat. So I don't know where. I think I can set it up over here. We got a box came in from UPS today. We're gonna get it set up real quick. Guess I'll put it out here. Put it on my stand. Just bring it inside. We'll open it up real quick. Let me let old Poppy and Momo in. See, they out there trying to get in here. Mo! That old Poppy always ready to come in. There go Poppy. Hey girl, sit. Good girl, good girl. There go old man right there. Mo, he say, hey, he's like the rabbit, the hare, and the turtle. He ain't never in a rush. Alright. I'm gonna set you guys up real quick, and we are gonna get into this garage mail call, guys. Let me get that package. I just kind of forgot what we got coming in. I know I ordered some stuff for the doors. I believe they're door skins and stuff like that. As you guys see here, as far as the progress that we're doing and stuff, today I'm going to start on this here side. I've got to make sure I treat all the rust, and I cut the panel out. I cut the panel out here. Cut the panel out right there, all the way down. And I actually brought a patch panel for this quarter panel here. And I decided to cut it like straight across in the ribs here and went straight across. Because I was going to cut it like here, and then I was going to go down at an angle. But that's just, I think straight line is going to be easier for me. So. Alright, so let's see what we got in this box here, guys. I tell you what, we've been moving right along with this build, guys. Everything's going pretty smooth with the 55. Let's see if I need to come a little closer. You guys don't need to see my ugly mug in the picture. Just want to see what's in the box, just like I do. So, like I told you guys before, I get most of my parts now. I used to get my parts from like LMC trucks, Brothers, but you know they take so long to get in, and I do save a few dollars on these parts here. Not much, because most of them are pretty much the same. But this here is the truck shop, and they got 2 locations. One was in Orange County, California. But the reason why I started getting this, because this is like maybe an hour and 45 minutes, maybe 2 hours max from where I live at, is in Concord, North Carolina. So brand new hinges. I'll show you the hinges that I have. And they're just so corroded, I don't even feel like sandblasting them. And this one here is the 4755 First Series right hand side. I'm not gonna get these things mixed up, because I tell you what, one time I was doing a truck and I got them all mixed up, and it was just a mess. So this is the left hand side. So basically this is the right hand side. So this is the driver's side. Now we're gonna put it back in the plastic. This one here is the left hand, and they all look alike, guys. That's the lower side for the left side. Left hand, and this is the upper. I'll open up the upper. This is the driver's side one for the upper. Brand new hinge, man. Now, the only thing I have to do to this is I just scuff this up and I paint them whichever color I'm gonna do the truck, which I'm not even decided yet as far as the color. This is the right hand side upper. Alright, see, so this was just the in the door skin. The lower patch door panel for the right hand side patch panel. So these patch panels here will go, I'll show you where they go. As you can see where it's rested right here. And I'll make a piece, this even though this on the outside, I will make a new piece for probably from here on the skin all the way probably around all over here. Even though I think that metal's that's almost bad. That's pretty much gone there. But this patch panel will go here like that there. All right. Even though this is the right hand side, let it go there, and you see where it needs to be replaced. This is terrible. This part here. And actually, I think that'll go all the way, it comes all the way up to here. So I will probably replace it all the way up to there. I'll just cut it and put that patch there. You see how bad it is here? Oh, that's bad. See, so it's bad there. Awesome. And then so what I do is I'll cut it probably about right up in here. And then I'll peel all that back. Peel this up, and then I flap it over. Once I cut it, I tack weld it in. I do it really slow, so the door won't warp. That's all she wrote, brother. We'll be in there. New bottoms on these doors. This is the other side. Left hand side. And then I have my boats. Gotta get new boats, man. And I already cleaned out the threads on the driver's side. And I get my tap and I'll clean them out on the passenger side. And then I actually said if I spend like $8 more, I get free shipping. So I actually got my hinge boats as well. I always get those type of hinge boats, so I mean I don't really need them none, but $8 vice $40 was a no-brainer. Alright guys, so that's what we got today. As you see, these doors, they do look pretty bad, man. Those doors, they really need repair, and everything else coming together. Alright, so basically next time you guys will see these parts, we'll be putting them on the truck. We'll be cutting them up, chopping them up, and I'll probably use all of that patch panel piece for the lower bottom, I guess the lower skin, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me whenever we do that repair. And I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos, and if you guys have not caught up with the video, go back and watch all the videos, so you guys can, if you're new to the channel, so you guys can be up with everyone else, guys. So hey, I want to thank you guys for watching this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend about it. And hey, so far I just want to thank every last one of my subs, guys, that actually have been looking at my channel, looking at my videos, and leaving positive comments. Hey, and I take all comments. Negative comments, is always good for you. So that right there make me grow and help me, think of new ideas and stuff. I don't know everything, so I appreciate all the comments, guys. All the comments, whether they're good or bad. Hey, I got thick skin, brother, so hey, bring it on. All right, so like I always tell people, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.